What's up guys? So we are here at SMPHQ. So magre-restock lang tayo ng mga consumables natin with our coffee shop. We are here with Charlie, Chris, and Min. So nasa harap lang ng SMX yun. Always remember, kailangan kapag mag-deliver kayo ng stocks during operation hours sa office, kailangan lahat kayo magtatakip ng black cloth. Kasi very unusual or hindi maganda tignan kapag nakikita yung mga deliveries nyo. For example, you're in the food and beverage business, tapos ganito pag nag-deliver, so kitang-kita. Yan, so ganyan, kahirap mag-restock. Buti na lang merong ganito. So may ramp. Okay na? So deliveries, lagi kayong sa, anong tawag dito sa elevator na ganito? Service elevator. So tapos sa sinil, balik ka tayo sa kotse. Yan. So buckle up na, tapos ang delivery with PHQ. So once again, we're here with Charles and Chris.